About 18 months ago, I sold my recovery resident businesses and I moved out to the DFW with the hopes of not doing sober living, but helping people who wanted to start recovery residences, who wanted to be able to benefit from the fulfillment and cash flow and all of that stuff. And so a piece of me feels like maybe I can't do what I did back then, right? Because I was a little bit younger, I had more hair. And so my mind is like, can I build a business back up? And so I think I can, but I want to take you guys on this journey with me. So I guess I'm saying, will you follow me on this journey? The calls that I have to make, oh my God, it's so many calls. But I know that I need to get a pipeline going again and the wins and the losses and all of it. And I want to take you guys with me. And so I'm excited, I'm scared, and but I believe that I could be able to do it with the help and the confidence that I get from you guys. I need you guys rooting for me, and I guess I should be able to say, hey, if you know of anybody that's looking to start a sober living, let me know. I need you guys. In my next video, I'm going to show you as an entrepreneur where I made all my mistakes. So if you're trying to start a sober living or any business, you definitely want to watch this next video.